Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Preparing crab legs. Cooking fresh crab legs is just as simple but requires a little extra time. Before you reheat or cook crab legs, be sure to thaw them. Thawing crab meat ensures that it will heat up evenly.
Take our lead.
Fresh king crab legs. Only if you live near a crabbing community will you get fresh, raw crab legs. Frozen king crab legs. It is recommended that crab legs thaw overnight in your refrigerator. If you are in a big hurry, king crab can be thawed under cold running water to speed this up.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.